In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off easy mode on Samsung phone. So with the easy mode turned on your Samsung phone, your hype icon will be larger than how it used to be, and your home screen settings will be rearranged and your predefined settings will be discarded. So if you're using easy mode, it takes about 1.5 seconds before you can press and hold too long to edit anything on your Samsung phone, unlike while the easy mode is disabled. So in this case, if you want to turn off the easy mode on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. One of the settings, you want to scroll down and click on display, then scroll down and click on easy mode. Once you click on easy mode, then disable the easy mode feature by clicking on this toggle button. Once you hit that, then you should see everything come back to normal. However, what you need to know about easy mode is that while using easy mode, you cannot use the edge panel. You can see this. So let's say the easy mode is enabled, for instance, then come back, then you'll not be able to use the edge panel on your Samsung phone. So edge panel is not going to work. So if you are using edge panel and you want to combine the edge panel with the easy mode, this is probably not going to be possible on your Samsung device. So to now turn off the Samsung phone easy mode, all you need to do is click on this feature to disable the easy mode button. And once the easy mode is disabled, every other thing in your Samsung device home screen will come back to normal. The application size and press and hold response will be restored back to normal. So this is how to turn off or disable easy mode on Samsung phone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.